you one of the yummiest and easiest salad recipe, which is grilled chicken Caesar salad. So let's get started for the ingredients. I have here 6 pieces of chicken thighs, very thin slices. If you want, you can use chicken breast as well. 1 clove garlic, lemon juice, salt and pepper. First I'm going to marinate the chicken. I'm just grating the garlic, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, salt like 1 teaspoon or so, and 2 teaspoon pepper, so now just add chicken pieces and make sure both sides are coated. Now cover this up and make sure it should marinate for half an hour. So for the dressing we need 3 cloves of garlic, 3/4 cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoon Parmesan cheese, 1 teaspoon Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon mustard paste, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, salt and pepper. So add everything in a bowl. Mix it well and it should rest in fridge until we are ready to mix this dressing in a salad. One thing viewers, I use regular mustard paste because the reason this recipe usually people use Dijon mustard, but Dijon mustard has alcohol and we don't use alcohol. That's why I use regular mustard, but if you are comfortable with alcohol, you can use Dijon mustard. So viewers, chicken has been marinated for half an hour. Now let's grill the chicken. Just grease the pan little bit, you don't have to put so much oil, and let it heat up little bit. And one by one, these chicken pieces are going into the grill pan. After 4 minutes, I'm going to flip this. So viewers, I have cooked chicken 4 to 5 minutes each side or until it's done. We prefer chicken all the way through cooked. If you prefer rare, so you can do 3 minutes, and also it depends on the chicken size and thickness. So as you see viewers, I have cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces and our dressing was ready. Here I have a Romaine hard lettuce which I washed, drained and cut into these small pieces. Now everything is here ready. And before you add your dressing into the lettuce, make sure your lettuce 100% dry. If it has water, so it won't be coated and you won't get the flavor. Let's make the plate. As you see viewers, how easy this salad is. What you can do, you can make dressing night before. If you have party tomorrow, so you can make dressing today, and you can marinate chicken night before, so it will be easier for you. And the last step, I have here Parmesan cheese, so I'm going to grate this over. So if you do this step, you will get the restaurant style feeling. And be generous when you put cheese on this. So viewers, as you see how quick and easy this recipe is. If you made dressing before and your chicken was marinated, so it's just in minutes you have this beautiful platter. I can't wait to taste it, so let's see. I need everything in my bite: chicken, lettuce and cheese. See here? I'm sorry, I can't talk now. This is one of the must-try recipe, viewers. Wow! As you see how good and tasty it looks, and I have tasted, it's so delicious, and my family can't wait to dig in this platter. Hope you like the recipe, viewers. If you do, give me a thumbs up. Keep watching my channel. See you another time with another delicious recipe. Till then, bye bye.